What's the meaning of coronation chicken? Coronation chicken. Coronation chicken.
Coronation chicken. Coronation chicken. Coronation chicken is a dish that was created in 1953 for the coronation of Queen Elizabeth II. It consists of cooked chicken that is mixed with mayonnaise, curry powder, and other ingredients such as raisins or apricots. The resulting dish is often served cold and can be used as a filling for sandwiches or served as a salad. The use of curry powder gives it a distinct flavor that is both savory and slightly sweet, making it a popular dish for picnics, parties, and other special occasions.